Okay, right now we have two inverters, VFD, variable frequency drive. One is acting as master, the other as slave. Connection 485 modbus. You can change the address with the IP. And basically this system commands different pumps over a single pressure sensor, and you can have a cascade or pumps operating together. You're simulating the pumps with these two motors, and we are simulating the pressure sensor on a 420 milliamps current loop with this Seneca. Right now we're pretending that the pressure is high, 15 bar, which is the maximum of the sensor. Right now we can change it on scale, and the pumps are stopped because there was their pressure. Let's turn down the pressure. First pump, second pump will start. The controller will command the second pump as well. We now increase. And our second pump is starting to lower its speed. Let's increase the pressure even more. Second pump is completely off now. First pump I'm gonna turn off as soon as we reach higher pressure. The system is operating fine.